everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Janeta, Polish girl living in Taiwan. Today we are embarking on a journey to Hue, where the sweet aroma of sugarcane fills the air. Join us as we explore the sugarcane season and the last operating sugarcane train in Taiwan. Despite the chilly weather, we set out to capture the fascinating process of harvesting and loading sugarcane in Baozhong. Our stops were Station 10 and 9, where we hope to witness the iconic sugarcane train in action. Today wasn't our lucky day, as no matter which place we arrived at, we had to wait for a long time. Since it was already noon, they stopped the harvest to take a break and to maintain the sugarcane harvester. Since we waited there for quite a long time, as noon was their resting time, we also had the chance to try sugarcane straight from the farm. It was nice, sweet and juicy, but biting into it was quite tough. After an hour of waiting, the harvester finally got back to work. And here it is, the last operating sugarcane train in Taiwan. It continues its route from Beigan to Hue, offering a unique glimpse into the sugarcane industry. The train runs between December and March, possibly extending into early April. At first, the train only passed by, but fortunately, the second train stopped, so we could also see the process of attaching the carriages. It looks quite dangerous. Let me tell you more about the sugar factory as well. Established in 1907 during the Japanese occupation, Hue Sugar Factory played a significant role in Taiwan's sugar industry. The factory is still involved in the sugar business, being one of the two remaining sugar factories in operation. Shanghua Sugar Factory in Tainan is the other one. Unfortunately, the sugar factory cannot be visited, but there are still Japanese dormitories left and other attractions in the town. We didn't go there this time, as we spent about 4 hours in the fields waiting for the train to come and sugar canes to be harvested. We chased it through fields and waited in town to witness its passage, a yearly tradition for us. When we were living in Hue back in 2017, I would often hear the sound of the train early in the morning. The places have changed since then. For example, the Jianguo military village has been refurbished. I'm still waiting for it to be finished, as there are still some things being built, so I will introduce it more after that. If you want to come here and see it for yourself, you have to be patient, as the timings of the train and which station it will stop at depend on the harvest that day, so there is nothing certain. I can only tell you roughly that the first train we saw was around 10 AM and another came around noon. As we got to know, the train runs 6 times a day, so it shouldn't be that difficult to see it. We also went for lunch in a nearby village called Magua and ate at the beef noodle shop. The flavor is fine, but I feel like the beef noodle portion is quite small for the price compared to other places in Hue. If you want to know more about places to visit in Hue, leave a comment below. Maybe next time we can continue our journey further and introduce more of the town's attractions. not related to the sugarcane topic, but since it's Christmas, we also came across some decorations. The only place where we saw any decorations was at the National Formosa University. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell for more exciting explorations. Until next time, happy exploring! Bye!